Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are looking at the doc item on the menu inside the Ansible Navigator. It's basically more of getting a documentation of a plugin or a collection, and in this case we're going to use a collection. You can try the plugin and it's going to work. So without wasting much time, before that, let's head on to collections to get a collection to test. Okay, so we have our collection over here. I'm going to pick the Cisco iOS collection as we used, and then we have these models in the Cisco collection, iOS collection. Once again, I'll pick the iOS first and I'll go back using escape. So now I'll use the doc followed by the model's name. So you do the same thing for a plugin if you are using a plugin. Then you press on enter. And as you can see, we have a documentation about the model and how to use it. Very simple, as I'm just showing the collection side. So basically, this is how it works. So it gives you a documentation of a plugin or a model. Very simple and easy to understand. So I hope that you do further studies or you extend this knowledge that you've or understanding that you've got from this lesson and share with me whatever you've learned or discovered on your own. Thank you for watching this video and see you in my next video.